Hello and welcome to this black and white video tutorial. Here we're going to transform this image at Glastonbury Tour into a stunning black and white. I'm Ali Jennings and I'm going to show you a very quick black and white conversion technique that you can apply to your images. So first of all we're going to crop this image to size, and the final size that I want from this image is going to be a 7 by 5. Now, because I'm going to apply a border, I'm actually going to crop this image smaller than 7 by 5, actually to a 6 by 4. Then as I increase the canvas size, I can apply the border that I want to the image. So the first thing I'm going to do is just check the image size. So if I go to aspect ratio and use photo ratio, I can see the resolution of this image is 240 pixels an inch. So with that in mind, I'm going to select a preset ratio of 4 by 6. It'll automatically sort out the width and height because of the image. So I've got the width of 6 inches and the height of 4. And in the resolution, I'm just going to type in 240 pixels an inch. Now, using the crop tool, just going to drag that over the entire image and click the commit button, and that'll automatically resize it to the desired size. Now just going Control 0 or Option 0, I can increase the size of the image back so it's filling the screen. So with that bit done, I'm going to now go on to enhancing my image and creating my mono conversion. So the first thing I'm going to do is just to duplicate my background layer, so drag and drop it onto the new layer icon. And then with Photoshop elements, go up to Enhance and Convert to black and white. Now, as always, a great way to just get started with this is to select one of the presets. One of my particular favourites is Vivid Landscape. And as you click that, you can instantly see the change that has on the picture. So, I'm quite happy with that, but I'm just going to increase the contrast slightly. So I've just increased that contrast slider up a little bit to about +20. Now it's a little bit tricky because you can't actually see the values as you're increasing within elements, but if you hover over one of those sliders, then it will actually just show you the value after a few seconds. And I'm just going to click OK to confirm that black and white conversion. So our black and white conversion is now done, and all we've got left to do to finish off this picture is to add that border. So first thing to do is just go up to Image, Resize and Canvas Size. Canvas extension color is going to be black. From my new size, just going to select inches, and I'm just going to put in 6.1 and 4.1. Hit OK, and we can instantly see a black border appearing around the image. I'm going to go Control or Option 0 again, just to make sure I can see everything that's going on. And I'm going to finalize the picture by making the rest of the border meet the actual paper size. So if I go to Image, Resize, Canvas Size, again select inches from my drop down and go 7 by 5. This time my canvas extension color needs to be white. Click OK, again Control or Option 0, and there we have our final picture. So all I need to do now is just flatten that out, and that will be ready to print. So there's how to do a very quick black and white conversion within Photoshop Elements.